This post is from Atikatinouwa. I hope this helps anyone who is trying to understand the law of reversibility. It is well written by Atikatinouwa. I thought to share it with the people to whom it benefits. You can contact me via email if you have any concerns. The law of reversibility in Neville's prayer, The Art of Believing, is definitely my favorite takeaway from all of Neville's works. I've been a Neville geek for over 3 years now. Reversibility states that if steam can be water, then water can be steam, or the duality of things and how within each problem lies the solution. The reason we have stress and anxiety and disharmony in our body and beings is because our desires, whether monetary or otherwise, haven't been realized. If we are fulfilled, we desire nothing. If we feel full, we are not hungry. If stress occurs as a result of not having our desires, then relaxation would obviously imply that we have our desires, because if we have them, we would be the opposite of stressed. I use this teaching by imbibing a state of relaxation. I take spas, listen to music, deep breathe, spend time in nature, take voluntary solitude and speechless breaks, and I've noticed that when I achieve stillness of being, things that I desire fall into my 3D reality like ripe fruits under a tree. What you seek, seeks you, so stop, breathe and allow it to find you. If you both keep looking for each other, it's like calling someone with the same phone number. When they're calling you on it at the same time, you won't get through to each other. Emphasize on stillness, relaxation, and calm. That's how you harmonize your being with your wish fulfilled. By the law of reversibility, that all transformations of force are reversible. The energy or feeling awakened transforms itself into the state imagined. It does not matter what you seek in prayer, or where it is, or whom it concerns. You have nothing to do but convince yourself of the truth. All is yours. Do not go seeking for that which you are. Appropriate it, claim it, assume it. Everything depends upon your concept of yourself. That which you do not claim as true of yourself cannot be realized by you. Hope this helped. Subscribe if you liked this video. Happy manifesting.